After you sign your contract, Acacia will send out an email introducing you to Events Done Right, our DJ company, Spunky Spirits, our bartending service, and your wedding coordinator, me. Hi, my name is Justine, and I'm the venue coordinator here at the Barn in Crescent Lake, also known as your wedding planner. During your first meeting with me, we will go over all of the aesthetics for your event. These are the things that I like to call the pretty stuff. We will pick out your linen colors, pick out all of the in-house decor that you would like to use, discuss any personal items that you would like to incorporate. We will go over all of the logistics and just make sure that all of the details are hashed out so that your wedding day is the most perfect day for you and your fiance. I will serve as your primary point of contact from the day that you sign your contract until your wedding day. You will also have a day of coordinator who you will meet on the day of your rehearsal. Hector is amazing, and he will make sure that your rehearsal goes off without a hitch. On the day of your wedding, Hector and I will both be there to make sure that everything goes according to plan. By this point, you and I have already discussed all of the details, everything that you hope to see, feel, experience, everything that you've imagined that this day would be when it finally arrived. And Hector and I will make sure that all of that happens. Weddings are our passion, and we love what we do. So let us carry the weight of this day for you. All you need to worry about on your wedding day is just soaking in all of the special moments with all of the people that you love the most. All those moments that we want you to remember forever.
Welcome to the Barn at Crescent Lake. My name is Acacia. I'm the wedding sales manager here. I'm going to go ahead and take you guys around and show you everything that our site has to offer. So this way right here is our walkway for our ceremony. You have an option to do like an infused water station that's placed out over here, which is good to have depending on the time of the year that you're looking to have weddings, because typically your guests show up 30 minutes to an hour prior to start time. We have these beautiful barn doors which would close and open for your grand entrance. And then once you walk in, we have our ceremony site. The benches that you see are standard with all of our packages. You could upgrade to white folding chairs if you prefer. And we have about 7 different arches to choose from. You can even do like chandelier and draping as well. So once your ceremony is done, your guests are going to walk over this way for cocktail hour. So cocktail hour is out on the lawn. What we'll do is we'll do 4 cocktail tables that will go along the deck with your linen of choice. We have the lawn games, so we have cornhole, Jenga, tic-tac-toe, and the fire pit. Bartender will hang out here until cocktail hour is done, and then he'll go into reception in the barn for reception time. So we'll go ahead and head in there next. So we're going to head into the barn now for reception time, and I'll show you how the layout works in here. So this is our reception space. With the reception space, catering hangs out right behind you, so it's buffet style. And then DJ will hang out on this corner, and they provide a full setup for you. So the tables and chairs that we have in here are standard with all of our packages, and then you'll choose your linen colors and your centerpieces. We have our dance floor here in the middle as well. And we have a beautiful sweetheart table. A lot of the times, it's like whatever art you choose for your ceremony, we can bring that in to have a really nice backdrop behind you. Our bartender will hang out on the corner over here, and then we have a very beautiful flower wall that can be used towards photo booth station, vintage lounge chairs that are currently set up right now.
So our packages are all inclusive. So we include everything for your ceremony, cocktail hour, and reception. We include the DJ, the bartender, we include your catering and cake. We have a variety of different vendors to choose from, so you'll get to choose the type of food that you want for your venue, for your wedding. We also include your wedding coordinator and your day of coordinator. Really the only thing that you have to think about for your day is going to be like your officiant, photographers, and the type of drinks that you want for the bartender to serve.
So we also include, for your day, we also include a bridal suite, which is a large 1-bedroom, living room, bathroom, bedroom. There's 4 vanities for you and your bridal party to get ready. And then we have a great groom's area that has some cornhole for the guys to hang out, some TV couches as well.
Hey, had a great experience booking the Crescent Lake. Everything was pretty much flawless and just had a really overall great experience. So we can't wait for our special day.